Hello again, guys. Today we're going to be replacing this little guy right here, which is the parking brake switch. And if you look real closely here, there's your part number. So to get access to this switch, we have to take apart basically this whole center console, because the switch is right below the handbrake lever. So I'm going to start in the back here and slowly work my way up towards the front. We'll have to pop these plastic things off here to remove this little tray here. So go ahead and get started. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is gently pry this cap away, this end cap here. Alright, you can see these two tabs here, and that's what holds this centerpiece in. So go ahead and snap off this other side here the same way. Okay, there we go. Now you want to always pry from the top here, because the bottom has this little tab. That's what holds it in, and then the top here just snaps right in place. Okay, so now this part here will lift out once these little tabs below here are clear and free. So if we get underneath them here, like so. Okay, there we go. You can see that's free. The same thing on the other side. Okay, there we go. Set everything to the side there. Now we can remove this little cup holder. This whole tray here will slide out. Now, I've already had this out before, so there's these little, this is metal top here. There's tabs here on the left and right side. Those will have to be pushed down in order for you to pull this whole piece out. This will just slide right out towards you if you grab a hold of it like so. This is how you adjust your parking brake. I have a good video on that. So now go ahead and slide this device out like so. There we go. This is what it looks like. Set that aside. Now this exposes this torque screw here. I believe that's T20, and this one's missing, of course. It looks like it's laying right over there. Somebody was in here before. It wasn't me, because I've never had this center console apart since I've owned this vehicle. So yeah, this looks like somebody was lazy and just didn't put it back in. Okay. So yeah, both of these will need to be removed. Alright, both those T20 torque screws are removed. Now we can go ahead and remove this center armrest here. To do that, you'll need to move your seat up, and then you can see this is loose here already. This will pop off, and then I will show you what to remove next. Okay, I've moved the seat forward. It allows easier access here to this armrest, so this will pop right out of here like so. And if you look down here, there's a bolt right here. This will need to be removed. Okay, this bolt is 13 millimeter. This fits on there nice and snug. We'll go ahead and remove this now. Okay, this right side here is a little different. You can see this whole piece will slide out like so. And then this center armrest can be removed. There's only one bolt holding that in. Okay, the next step would be to come up front here, and on each side of your shift lever would be little plastic caps. Mine are gone, and that exposes a T20 torque screw. Mine are also gone. Somebody was into here and didn't replace anything, so I'm gonna have to get some. So now that side is gone, and this side is gone as well. So now we should be able to lift this whole center piece up like so, and then you can see you have to lift up on this area here on your shift knob so that this piece will clear it. So if you lift up like this, you can see it will become free. Then you can remove it. There we go. Now what you have to do is slide it over your parking brake lever. Okay, so I could not get this past the e-brake lever there, so what I had to do is loosen this nut here so that I can lift the parking brake lever up higher so that I have enough clearance to remove this center console. It's kind of a pain, but that's what I have to do. There we go, it's a lot better. Set that off to the side. See, my parking brake lever wouldn't come up that high because my cables are new, and if yours are stretched out, if you have older cables, or if your parking brake lever isn't adjusted properly, then you'll have to loosen it up a little bit. But anyway, if you look down here now, there's the switch. So it looks like it's just kind of snapped on here. You just push those little tabs and then pull it away like that. And then looks like there's a little clip here on the back side. Yeah, you can see it's held in by this tab here up top. There we go. Pulls right out. And this part is junk, so throw that away and install the new one in the same spot there. Okay, I have the new switch connected there. Now I have to snap it into its correct position. There we go. So that is good to go. Now's a good time to get the vacuum out and clean anything, any debris that you couldn't get with that center console in place. You might find some loose change or whatnot. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching, guys, and please subscribe. Take care.